My name is Dr. Avisha, consultant pediatric orthopedic surgeon, and today I would like to talk to you all regarding flexible flat foot in children, what parents really must know about this condition. Flexible flat foot is a fairly common entity, and we get quite a lot of worried parents in our clinic every day worried about their child's feet. The sole of our feet has an arch on the inner aspect, and what parents need to understand that the absence of these at times can be a normal variation and majority of the time do not require any treatment. No child born has an arch naturally. The arch usually develops in childhood, usually in the first decade of life. 1 in 5 children may never develop an arch. Most children by age 3, 54% might have flexible flat feet, whereas 24% will have flexible flat feet by age 6 years. Just as normal children have different heights, arches can have different heights too, some lower than others. When these children stand, majority of them have some amount of ligamentous laxity, which leads to collapse of these arches and their foot rolls inwards and point outwards. Worried parents can have a look at their child's feet. The arches are usually seen when the child is sitting or with their feet hanging free in the air or when they stand on their toes. 1% children can have pathological flat feet. These feet are usually more stiff and associated with a tight heel cord. These children need to be seen by a clinician and would need further investigation and some form of treatment. Majority of the time, flexible flat feet do not require any treatment. We usually are concerned when the flexible flat foot is painful, it is on one side, if the deformity is very severe and is affecting your child's activities and play. These children should be examined by an experienced pediatric orthopedic specialist to help further guide their treatment. Many long-term studies have shown that flexible flat foot can persist in children who have a family history of flexible flat feet, who are obese, have some amount of joint laxity, or have started footwear at a very early age. If the child is comfortable and fairly active, the parents need not worry. We usually do not recommend any shoe inserts, special shoes or exercises for majority of these children. What parents must understand is that using these pads or medial arch supports in the shoes usually makes the child uncomfortable and majority of the time are a waste of money. Many long-term studies have shown that these medial arch supports or inserts cause delay or hamper the development of the arch in majority of the children. Some children who are symptomatic may require these medial arch supports or shoe inserts as treatment. Some, even after this treatment, may be unresponsive and at those times may require other modalities of treatment. One of the most common questions that I get asked by parents is that will flexible flat foot cause my child not to be able to play certain sports, or will that affect him taking up certain jobs later on in life? The answer is no. 20% adults have flexible flat foot and it does not cause any disability. Many professional athletes also have flexible flat foot. Hence, having a flexible flat foot will not stop your child from playing any particular sport or joining any particular profession. Thank you so much for listening to us today. For further information or queries, you can get in touch with us via email or via the given WhatsApp number. Thank you.